Once you purchase your initial system and you're ready for your first power up, and make sure everything's good, make sure you turn your main power on your plane and then hit your power button. This is what you'll see at first. We want to go through a factory reset to make this for your system. In the factory, when the system was tested, it was tested with a different number of valves. So the system might not be correct for your system. So once it fires up, this is where we're at. So you can hit the enter button to make this GPS guidance control go away. Hit your system setup button. Hit your up arrow to advanced settings, line 29. Hit your enter button. Hit your up arrow again and go to factory reset. Hit your enter button. It will ask you, do you want to perform this factory reset? Scroll over, hit yes, hit your enter button, and then your cap view will shut down. After a few seconds, hit your power button. And the system will turn on like this, and then you will see a blue status bar start going across the screen. This will take a little bit of time for this to load. Here's the status bar starting to go across. Once the status bar is done loading, this is the screen you will be. The cap view has detected that system needs to be set up. So you will hit the enter button for OK. Then it will come to this screen. So we can do a location setup. We still have to do a location setup, but to get the alarm to go away at this moment, we can tell the system how many valves are on the system. So this system that we are setting up has 112 valves, so I hit system setup. I go to the up arrow, I hit advanced settings, and I go down to line 10, total number of valves expected. So I hit the down arrow, take my yellow line down there, hit the enter button, you'll see this turns red. Use your up arrow and scroll up to the number of valves on your plane. This one has 112 valves. Once you get 112 valves, or the number that is actually on your plane, you should hear this alarm go away. Hear the audible stop. If you go to 111, the system knows it does not have 111, so you'll hear the audible. So when you do hit that number, your audible should stop. So you hit the enter button, make that turn back to yellow, hit the escape button, takes you back to the home screen. From this page, we can do a location setup. So this location setup allows us to go through and position the VCMs the way they physically are on the plane. So you hit the location setup button, then you press and hold the location setup button for approximately 5 seconds. Your page will change to this. You hit the enter button for auto setup. We're already on 4-inch spacing, so you hit the enter button, and then this is the screen you come to. So there, as you see, there's 8 different VCMs across here. Right now we're on VCM number 1, and it's turned yellow. At this moment, it is best to use a couple people, one up in the cockpit and one out on the ground, going across and letting the person in the cockpit know what location these VCMs are in. So this one right now is highlighted yellow. When you hit the enter key key, it will pulse that VCM. So you pulse that VCM, it turns it red. You can hear those valves pulsing. Your person tells you it is actually in location 1. So you can stop it. You can flip it. So these black or the yellow dots or black circles from the center to the left all need to be on the left side. From the center to the right all need to be facing right. So let's go to number 2 now. I hit the left or the right arrow, went to VCM number 2, hit the enter button. That is location number 7 physically on the plane. So with it pulsing, scroll over to location 7 on the plane. We can do the next one. Let's scroll back over to 2. That is physical location number 8. So we can go through and put it on location 8. We could stop it pulsing. At that moment, you see it jump back this one from 7. So I need to move that back to location 7. Sometimes it's easiest to work right to left at this moment. So now it's best to go find location 6. So I'm going to go through and pulse these and find my VCM 6. That is my VCM 6. And then let's go find VCM 5. That's VCM 5. And then we just go through and we find our VCM. That's VCM 4. That's VCM 2. That's VCM 3. So once I think I'm there, I like going through and verifying, walking down, have your person start at VCM 1, pulse the valves on VCM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure they're all in line. Make sure everything is on the left is facing left, right is facing right. Then we hit the escape button 3 times. Then it asks, do you want to save this change? Scroll over and hit yes. The status bar will start and then it will move across. This will take a few minutes.